Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin after cleansing. Use a gentle, non-exfoliating wash and pat your skin fully dry. Once done, dispense a pea-sized amount of Zo Retinol skin brightener. This small dose spreads across the face. Apply in thin layer, avoiding eyelids and lips. This ensures even delivery and lowers irritation risk. Make sure to do this at night only because retinol increases sun sensitivity. Finally, wait 5 minutes before layering a light moisturizer to lock in hydration and temper initial dryness. You next focus on gradual escalation to build tolerance. Begin using the product 1 to 2 nights per week. Once you have no redness or tightness, increase to every other night over about 4 to 6 weeks. Use a non-comedogenic moisturizer either before or after the retinol to buffer sensitivity. This reduces peeling while preserving benefits. Make sure to pause any exfoliating acids or in-clinic resurfacing during this period. If you notice mild flaking, keep the schedule and maintain hydration rather than increasing frequency. You complete each treatment cycle by protecting and monitoring your skin. In the morning, apply a broad-spectrum SPF 30+ every day because retinol increases sun sensitivity. This preserves results and prevents damage. If you encounter severe burning, blistering, or swelling, stop use immediately for 72 hours and contact a clinician. For common mild dryness or flaking, reduce application frequency or blend half retinol with half moisturizer to lessen potency. Continue consistent use for gradual.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.